If you want to know how you can record dual videos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, the iPhone 16 series does not support dual video recording by default in the camera app. But if you want to use this feature, just open the App Store, then in the search bar just search this, and install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on Open, and from here just select Accept. Tap on the X icon and select Allow. And once you do that, you will be able to record dual videos with the camera of your iPhone. As you can see, you have a few different modes. You have the option of double shot, which will record the dual video in a picture-in-picture style, or you can select split, and it will split the screen between the front and the back camera. And also you can select any of the other options from here. After you select your preferred option, just tap on the record button and start recording. And you will be able to record dual videos with the cameras of your iPhone. And once you're done recording, just tap on the red icon over here and you will stop recording. Now if we go and check the recorded video, as you can see the videos has been recorded separately. As you can see, this is the recording from the back camera and this is the recording from the front camera. And from here you can take both of these videos to a separate editing app and you can edit the videos as you like. You can set it as split screen or as a pop-up view, and to download these videos to your gallery app, just tap on the download icon over here and select Allow. Tap on Save. And from here you will be able to save both of these videos to your Photos app. Just like that. Now just take these videos to any editing app and you can edit them however you like. But if you want an easier method to record dual videos, like if you do not want to edit the videos after you have recorded them, then just go back to the App Store. And from here, just download this app. After you download the app, just tap on Open. Now just tap on the drop-down arrow on this side and select Dual Camera. And from here, you will be able to record dual videos using the Snapchat app. You can select your preferred style from here. You have the option of a horizontal split, a vertical split, and a picture-in-picture style. After you select your preferred style, just tap on anywhere on the screen and tap and hold on the shutter button to start recording. Now just swipe the shutter button to the left side to start recording your videos. And as you can see, over here you're recording from the front camera and the rest of the screen is filled with the back camera. You can move the camera around as you like, and once you're done recording, just tap on the record button to stop recording. Now just swipe the shutter. Just like that. Now to save this video to your Photos app, just tap on the download button over here. And once you do that, you will download the video to your Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can record dual videos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.